I've not pooed near a tree, thank you very much. There's our sign. Interesting. Why are you raising your eyebrow? Right, today we're in Pool Park, just past Rithin. Oh, shall we go up that trail?
I don't know. I don't know where it is compared to
I don't know where we're going.
there is a round loop that goes through the woods.
A round loop?
Yeah, the path does like a loop all the way around.
It's whether we want
to go a bit further.
Okay.
The road that was going to take us was a bit further along here.
Okay. So we're in Pool Park. We're having a nice little walk, but there's an ulterior motive to the walk, obviously, there always is. We're looking to see if we can find Pool Park abandoned insane asylum. I say that quietly because I'm not entirely sure we're allowed to be there. But more than anything, rather than the history of the building itself, what I'm interested in is the actual aesthetic of the building. Having been abandoned since 1990, I want to see what it looks like. Let's have a little walk and see where it gets us. So, GPS is telling us to go down that way, which there is ways of getting to that path over there. However, it looks like they're hedge laying, I think it's called, where you put twigs and sticks and stuff, which eventually will grow into a hedge of some sort, making a barrier, because clearly people have been walking through this way, which is possibly what we're about to do. Clearly the remnants of some sort of fence or gate. This is an actual road. There's a sign up there, I'm not sure what it says. Presuming it says do not enter. There's our sign. Interesting. Okay, so from where we parked up, it's inaccessible. As you've just seen, it's a private road. I mean, not come all this way to not actually see it. So I'm thinking if we can find like an open space where I can see, I've got line of sight above where I'm trying to get video of, I could just from that area fly the drone over. It's just finding a spot, like where do you put a drone up here? I could fit it through there, but then I wouldn't be able to see it. So we're going to have to think of an alternative plan, I guess. I've seen people there before. So it's how far do we blur the lines of what we're doing is okay. But Izzy has just informed me of an alternative site to have a look around. Oh God, I don't even know where we are now. An alternative site to have a look around that is also abandoned, that could make for some interesting video or some cool pictures. So we'll have a little look, see whether there's a space to fly the drone. If not, we'll think of something else. Oh, that's nice and open, but I can't see up there. But I just wouldn't be able to see the drone as we flew over. Looking for a cool Instagram picture? Where we are. I think we've just looped around. I think the car's over there, the road's over there. And that tree is where you take a number 2. Me? I've not pooed near a tree, thank you very much. One positive thing that has come out of this is that we've got some kindling for our fire pit tonight, and we'll possibly have a barbecue. But because I've had COVID-19 a couple of weeks ago, and obviously we went to London the week before, I've not flown the drone for about a month, I feel. So it's been at least 3 weeks, if not a month. So I just want to get it up. It's a shame because it was really sunny earlier, and now it seems to be a bit overcast, which is fine. Still looks cool on the drone, but I need a subject that is feasible. So we're going to drive around. Oh, there's cows. We're going to drive around the area of the abandoned asylum and see if there's anything else that looks interesting or quite cool or cinematic, and then I might just, if there's like 4 or 5 things that we pass on the way back, it might just be a montage of cool things that look nice from above. So we'll see what happens. And that, my friends, is as much of Pool Park abandoned asylum that we're going to get to see today. Unfortunately, it's just a little bit too far for the signal to be okay. So I would have liked to actually get closer to the actual building and the property itself, but I needed to keep visual line of sight on the drone, and just the way these things roll sometimes. We're going to go straight back home. We're going to get the fire burning and get some meat and non-meat based products cooking. So if that's the end of the video, it's the end of the video. Goodbye. Shout out for this video goes to Harry from work. He was supposed to get a special shout out at the end of the UFC London video. Unfortunately, I videoed the shout out across a 2-minute video that I took whilst I was on the toilet in the Intercontinental Hotel, very drunk.
Exit the roundabout onto A494.
I didn't think it was very appropriate to actually post that segment of footage because it was a bit naughty. So anyway, shout out to Harry from work. Hope you enjoyed that video. I don't think there was any sections of that video that you can clip and make funny videos out of, but I'm sure Harry will find a way. Alright, goodbye.